keep it moving. You in the back. Why you moving so slow?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You hear that?
Katie?
Katie!
Katie, we're in here! We're happy you're back! We missed you so much! Please let it be you, Katie!
We didn't need any of your shoes that were not already partially eaten, so it's kind of like it didn't count, you know?
Guess it wasn't Katie.
It's not.
Probably for the best. I mean, if she came home and saw all these puppies in her living room, she'd probably...
Adopt all of them!
Freak out.
Oh, right. She'd probably be upset. What you said.
Anyway, puppies. Snowball lives just down the hall that way. That's right, just keep walking.
Okay, so, to find you a home, we're going to need the greatest plan ever created. Luckily for you, every new plan I come up with is the new greatest plan ever created. There's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. I'm going to lead all you strays through the city. But we got to hurry, because adoption day is going to be over soon. Plus, Molly's going to be home in like an hour. We're supposed to have a tea party. And I know what you're thinking, but there ain't nothing wrong with a grown bunny having a tea party. It's a great way to unwind after a hard day of battling the forces of evil. Okay, check it out. This is the map of the city. It's all there. That's me. That's you. That's the pet store. Oh, no, wait. That's the pet store. That's you. I think, you know, it doesn't even matter. We'll figure it out on the way. Hopefully. Now head on around the corner to the building storage area. Go! Yeah! All right, now get out. Come on, you gotta leave. Move your puppy butts on up out of here. Wait, what? More dogs are walking in.
You know, I don't know what's going on in my life and in other priorities.
Hey, don't listen to Chloe. She is just bitter with her place in life. She just mad because she's not a dog. It's gonna be fine, okay? Just look at her and do exactly what you do.
Don't eat anything weird off the sidewalk. That's even less time.
Is this exciting now? I feel like I'm 2.5 again.
Remember to listen to Snowball, which is something I never thought I'd say.
Super cool high-tech truck.
You can do it, puppy.
Come on! Go down to the front house. Don't worry. If there was danger, my buddy senses would warn us.
Check out the weather map.
Yeah, a flying boat. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all.
You're trespassing in my house.
Ladies and gentlemen, your journey has paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
This is Cat What are you filthy mutts doing here? You're trespassing in my house.
Ladies and gentlemen, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
What are you filthy mutts doing here? You're trespassing in my house. This way and that.
Oh, my ears! Wait! I love cats! Wow! No!
rooms, and your
You're not
parking
leaving
raised.
already? I just found this place.